Just getting in, had a long day, kinda rough. Got stuck in traffic too, my nerves is extra fucked. Wife got an attitude, why she got an attitude? I don't fucking know, I'm the one that should be mad, dude. Wanna have a drink, but the doctor say stop it. Pull a baggie out my pocket, grab my bong, got the closet and I smoke. Hey, now I ain't trippin', I'm on a fucking mission to get to this kitchen. Don't ask me shit because I've gone fishing. In my brain, most things have gone missing. In my brain, most lames have gone missing. And I'm not stressing, God bless smoke sessions. Fire up the internet, play a little poker. I can do this shit for hours, I'm a motherfucking smoker. Keep a quarter ounce in my house at all times. Never know when I got to get bombed out my mind. Cell phone ring and I won't pick it up. Why? Cause I'm high as fuck. Boss left a message and I can't call back. Why? I'm too high for all that. I'm about to call Pink Dot, dude, I got the munchies. And if they catch me driving, they gon' take my car from me. I'm goofy like a grown kid, everything is funny. Don't tell me how the fuck I should spend my money, I get high. Uh-oh, I think I smoked too much. I got phone calls to make and I am high as fuck. Had a 20-minute giggle fit to turn to slight panic. What if they deport me cause my name sounds Spanish? What if I'm an alien that's from another planet and they erase my memory and no one there remembers me? Like when they send the mothership, no one even mentions me. And I am left to die with y'all, a humanoid in misery. Fuck it, I just smoke again, I'm guessing that's what smokers do. Even if you smoking Bammer, I'll probably smoke with you. My mama and my wife and my daddy, they some smokers too. Catch me on the west side, chillin' like a smoker do. Cell phone ring and I won't pick it up. Why? Cause I'm high as fuck. Boss left a message and I can't call back. Why? I'm too high for all that.